Hello? It's me. I've been trying to reach you for a while. I know you're busy. I guess I keep missing you. The truth is, I'm sick. Every day I feel a little more of my lifeblood seep away, drifting out into the ether. I'm just so tired. I've been trying to pin it down. The exact point we stopped speaking. Or rather, you stopped speaking to me. Now my voice is hoarse and does not carry even here where it is so quiet. I see you, alone as you sit on the edge of your bed in the cold, weak morning, numb and vapid, staring into space. When will you learn to take a breath, my darling? I gave you everything you needed, and still it wasn't enough. I know I've hurt you too, in stormy rage and hurricanes of passion. I was just trying to get your attention. So now my lungs are black and my heart is weak. I sucked out the poison and swallowed it to spare you, trusting in your potential, believing you just needed more time to find your feet and stretch, yawning and dewy, clear-eyed into the dawn. But the light is almost out. My wick burns low. Shadows loom and flicker, dark as eternity, licking at your heels, ready to swallow you whole and snuff you out. I was here before you, and what is left of me will be here when you are gone. Only one of us has a choice. I am your mother, and nature always finds a way.